toe. Oh. All routine. This is a battle, Bonnie and Clyde. We said stand right there, buddy. Let's go, Little Beast! 5 rounds for Little Beast, make some noise, let's go, let's go! Saucy. Let's go, make some noise for that final. Make some noise for that final battle. Can you like that battle? Make some noise, let's go, let's go, let's go. Mr. P, can I get Mr. P?
Yo, once again, we can't thank you enough for supporting this event. It's all about community. Remember, UNITY. That's all about community, y'all. Thank you so much for the staff at Burton, all of you, of course, the staff from One Society for helping out tonight. All the DJs, the backbone, bringing that music, that fire, that brings it out of you. It's all about that creativity. We all have it. It's about bringing it out, y'all. And this is just amazing to be able to, again, doing this here this year for Volume 2. We're going to be back next year. Bonnie and Clyde, baby. Please support Bgirl City. It's going down in Houston, Texas. It's something for everybody. Bgirls, ladies, again, inspire the next. It's all about inspiring one another, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to raise my hands here. We got Rockefeller, the queen, that's gonna give these beautiful and amazing little posters out. My brother Prevail and all the graphics, yo, it's nasty. Y'all need to fly your then y'all better hit up Prevail, for real. The DJs, y'all already know. Shoot. Shout out to my fiance.